Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can take heart-shaped balloons and make a flower out of them. It is very simple, very easy. All you need for this decoration is 4 heart-shaped balloons and 1 simple balloon. It only took me time to inflate the balloons. After inflating the balloons, within 1 minute I made this very beautiful decoration. If you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future videos. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. For this decoration we will be needing 4 red color heart-shaped balloons, 1 white balloon, normal balloon, and a balloon pump. We will inflate the balloons with the balloon pump. We'll take 2 balloons, we'll twist them together and tie a knot. And that's the same that we are going to do with the other 2 red balloons. So I have here the other 2 red balloons. We're going to attach these together and we'll twist the balloons to secure them tight. A quick last minute change here. I was originally going to use white color balloon, but now I've changed my mind. I want to do some crazy stuff and make it beautiful, so I'm going to use pink color. We are going to inflate the pink color balloon. We'll put it in the middle and we'll move it around 1 balloon and we'll tie a knot there to secure the pink balloon in the middle. This is the front side of the balloon. On the back side we will put double-sided tape and we can simply paste it on our desired location. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave this channel without subscribing, and do check out my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find awesome party decoration ideas to make your occasion special.